Then today I am going to show you how we can create directives in AngularJS. So what I have done is I have created a sample project which has got just one variable, name variable, which is going to print hello world in this application. Let me show you that. So I have got this controller and I am passing the scope.name hello world over there. So let's say suppose that I want to use some part of a HTML in multiple pages. So what I will do is I will create a directive and use it in my pages. So let's say for implementing that I am going to add a HTML file, or I will be adding a JavaScript file directives.js where I will be referencing a HTML. So I am creating a self-executing function over here. I am saying that it must use strict. So after that I am going to use my angular dot module tag and create a name for my directive. So let's say I would say directives module. Also I am going to call this directive over here, pass it a name. Let's say I say this as hello world. So one thing it is important to remember is like whenever you are naming a directive, it must start with a small letter and the second letter should be like a big letter or in caps. So after doing this, what I will do is I will create a function over here and I am going to say that return me a type that is restrict this to be this directive to be a type of element. Also I am saying that I want this to be written, this to be my template. So I am saying over here like hello world, not just a return, this should be template. So now this is like a very simple directive, and what I will do is a few things I need to do. So first of all I will go in my index page and I need to reference that JS file, otherwise it won't be able to recognize from where this is being used. So I am referencing it over here. Also I am going to remove this name. So now if I have removed this name, so we can see that it is a blank file. And over here what I will do is I will just create a element with the name hello world. So whenever it renders the directive, it will be like hello hyphen world. So after doing this, one more thing is important, like I have created a directive module, so I need to pass that directive module over here. So what I will do is I will copy this and I will paste it over here. So once I have done this, my application should be up and running. So it is a good practice to open up your console while doing some development, so that if some error comes or occurs, you are instantly aware of that. So if I start this, I am able to see that I am getting the hello world directive over here. So just to make sure, let's change some hello world to hello world 1. Save it and let's refresh it. So the directives are working. Thanks for watching the video.